Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. I am so excited to start the course with you. So I am another instructor in this comprehensive course and I am a professional ethical hacker, computer scientist, and I have more than 10 plus years of experience as a cybersecurity specialist. So in this lecture we are going to learn the basics of hacking. Actually, hacking is very misunderstood all over the world. It is not just breaking into someone's computer and stealing money. It's more about gathering knowledge about how to exploit different systems and also defend it from bad guys. So, can it be a good career to be an ethical hacker or cyber specialist? Yes, of course. In cybersecurity field, it is booming day by day. An ethical hacker's average yearly earning is more than $100,000. So it would be a very good career, and also there would be a lot of opportunity and excitement in this career. So that's a plus point. So how many types of hacker are there? There are mainly three types of hackers. First of all, white hat hackers, then gray hat hackers, and at last black hat hackers. So white hat hackers are the virtuous guardians. These cybersecurity heroes use their hacking skills for good, working to protect system and keep the cyber world safe from threats. And then come gray hat hackers. They are kind of curious explorers. A grey hat hacker is someone who plays with computer systems without hurting others. They may explore things without permission, but they don't do it to cause harm. And at last, the black hat hackers. It is a person who hacks into computer systems to bad things like stealing information and causing harm. They use their skills for bad purposes and break the rules of ethical hacking. So we are the good guys, that means ethical hacker, but we will learn how to hack like black hat hackers in detail so that we can protect ourselves from hacking. So that's it for this lecture, and thanks for watching.